Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to reset keyboard size and layout on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. Here in general management, go to Samsung keyboard settings. In Samsung keyboard settings, go to keyboard layout and feedback. Okay, tap this. Here in keyboard layout and feedback, go to keyboard size and layout. Okay guys, here in keyboard size and layout. Okay, now in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset the keyboard size and layout. And okay guys, if you want to reset the keyboard of your Samsung Galaxy A02, and okay guys, here on the upper right side on your screen you can see the reset. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the reset to reset your keyboard size and layout. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset the keyboard size and layout, or the keyboard size and layout is set into default. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.